Hey everybody, hey, this is Dan with Thirsty Rock Hydration Gear. We wanted to do a quick video about our 4-piece pull-through strap kit that we sell online. You can buy these kits from other people. We have found that this pull-through loop, as you'll see, is one of the secure ways to secure luggage of any kind on your ride. A real quick, cool, easy way to demonstrate this is a shout out to KTM, by the way. This is a typical handlebar strap. So in this case, in our case, this would be a straight strap. And what you do is, like in a typical handlebar, it goes around. You pull this through, and then that goes down to an anchor point. So, but with our gear, it's kind of the same concept. When you pull these the 4-piece kit, the 4 straps out of the kit, you're gonna just disconnect the buckle, and I should say each of these has a quick detach buckle as the snap hook. This could stay affixed to your D-ring. But what you do is you take this and you're gonna thread this through, or unthread it from this male buckle, and then you're going to find your anchor point. So if this is the anchor point here, for instance, you would just wrap it around, pull it tight, and you're going to thread through. So what's cool is, so you have this straight bar look, and then you have this serrated look on this male buckle. You're going to put it behind the male buckle like this. Oops, sorry, doing it wrong. With the male buckle pushing, looking away from you, you're going to put it in closest to that very end, pull it up through, pass it back, and then it's locked in. So if this, again, keep losing it. If this is attached to your strap, you're going to adjust this all the way down, and it's going to be locked on nice and tight. Now, in a case like this, this would allow, if you did one off to each side of your frame, or underneath you just need a bracket. Anything that this can wrap around on, it'll work. But if you unsnap this, you could just, if you say on the BMW style bikes with your big tanks, if you just unsnap this, you can peel up and fuel. Or you can unsnap this one, the riser strap, unstrap this, and then peel back, and that allows you access to your fuel opening. There are places, every bike, there's frame underneath your seats, there's frame underneath your, if you have plastic cowlings, there's frame everywhere. You just need an anchor point and to securely lock this in, and once it's locked in, it's not going anywhere. So if you have any questions, again, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, or just send us a question through the website. And I just want to remind you, hydrate responsibly.